Hello guys, today I am going to show you how can you copy a data or the text from PDF and fix it in the Word file. For example, most of the time when we copy a data from PDF and paste it here in Word, it appears like if you copy if the PDF in a double column, though it appears also in a Word file as a double column. But I want the text in a single column or in a proper manner. How I can do this? First of all, I have to press Ctrl A to select all the text, and then I have to go here in a replace option. In a replace option, you can see the three tabs: find, replace, and go to. Go to replace tab, and here find what you have to find. Press Shift 6 and T, and here replace with, give one space, insert one space here, and replace all. You see all the text is fixed now, but the problem is there are two problems exist between the two words. Sometimes double space exists, and here if you see the full stop is after the single space at the end of the sentence. How we can fix these problem? Again, press Ctrl A, go replace, and remove this, both of the find what and replace with. And now you have to fix the double space problem. There are many ways to replace the double space. For example, you can insert double space here and find what, and will replace with, press single space and replace. Yes, okay, you have to do it until you see the zero replacement here. Now the double space problem is fixed, and now you want to correct this problem. At the end of the sentence, full stop appear. Again, Control A, go to replace, and here clear all the clear both of the tabs, and here you have to give one space and full stop, and here without any space press full stop, replace. Yes, okay, you see all the space after the full stops are removed. So, and there is one more option you can see. Let me copy this text again, and for example you paste it here, select all, not select all, only select this portion, replace, Shift 6 P, and here single space, press OK. Yes, there is one more option to remove the double space, that is select the we have a double space. For example, here I want to remove this double space automatically. Select the paragraph, go to replace. In this option, okay, remove both the tabs, press Shift 6 and W, and here give one space, replace. Okay, yes, okay, done. So by this way you can also remove the double space issue. So these are the two options by which you can replace the double space. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.